Good morning. This is the assignment I'm looking at by Monday. That would be April 13th. Finish this assignment. Actually, look here. Yes, by Monday. You have until midnight that night. I changed the date so you wouldn't have to rush the writing, but a couple of things that you want to make sure that you're doing. Make sure that you have read in Schoology the writing body paragraphs and that you have a topic sentence, which is claim number 1. First one is logos, then ethos, then pathos with concession. Those are your main points. Your topic sentences include something that has logic, ethics, and emotion. All right, so make sure that your paragraphs are set up like this. And then finally, make sure that you're clicking on writing introductions and conclusions. We're going to go over this in class today, but remember that your introduction has to have this. I'm going to put introductions on there. Introductions. And it's pretty specific. And that your conclusions have these things. Highlight logos, ethos, and pathos, and underline the concession. Thank you.